In this video, you'll learn how to properly use chopsticks in just a few easy steps. Now let's begin. Place the end of one chopstick in the area between your thumb and index finger while resting the midpoint of the chopstick on the tip of your ring finger. Gently press the bottom of your thumb against the chopstick to hold it in place. Now, place the second chopstick between your index and middle fingers like so, while using the tip of your thumb to hold the chopstick against your index finger. Keeping your thumb still, move your index and middle fingers to open and close the chopsticks. You'll notice that only one chopstick moves, while the other remains in place. With some practice opening and closing the chopsticks, you'll quickly get used to the motion. You'll be eating with chopsticks like a pro in no time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.